they give you money again now. Because say you just see and now say, see, with Orike, you don't know whether they do business together as they talk. Because see you come and say, again, 11 million naira. Now cry head but this is 4 days. You dey throw parable. You dey talk to run. So you go measure a name. Why you not there? Why you not there, Osagie? Why you not there, Igbofo wena? Why you there? Jealousy wena. You don't want everybody to be pumping money for you. Here we one day for thief, one day for the owner. And those people are wise. And those people are no more foolish as you take them to be. They are no more foolish as you take them to be. Yago kwa wedero na wibi edo mafien o. Owiyan lo yan easy na mu. If you do not give on in here, you ma lu enwa ogiyan no basis ogiyan. So more go. More listen.
Who come to that house to live. 90% of the children are brought today, but they are not coming to Nigeria anytime soon. Yes? If not because of the thing.
Osagie, are you not ashamed to say that word? Why are they not coming to Nigeria? Because we have bad government. Now that you are close to the government, can't you tell the government to do a good thing so that our children will come back home? Are you not ashamed? And you are discouraging our children, they are not going back now. And you say you are close to government. And you say you are close to government, Okpewo. Governor Okpewo, you say you are close to them. And you are discouraging our children in Europe, they are not coming back home. Because you yourself know we have a bad government. As far as the government you are supporting is a bad government, that is what you are trying to tell us. The children of Ghana, they go back home. The children of Abidjan, they pack their children back home. Because they have a good president, they have a good governors. Ghana celebrates a light that day. Ghana celebrates a light for 20-something years. They never seen lights for Ghana. But today, Nigeria, the giant of Africa, what they are buying? Solo light, solo light, solo light, solo light. That's what they are buying. Are you not ashamed of yourself to say this word? The children we born in Europe, they are not going back home because you know, and you are supporting the government, Okpero, the new governor. You say you want to do something. Can't you tell the governor, do something to our children back in Nigeria, in Europe, to be coming back home to come and load their father's land? You are skying them away now. They are not coming to Nigeria. And you saw you are supporting a good governor in those states. That's you foolish. How foolish you looking? That word not supposed to come out in your mouth. Other people can give that advice, not you. Because you are lunatic in the society. You already have common sense. Let us listen. Let us listen to you.
Yes? If not because of the things we have in Nigeria that we have already invested in. Nigeria have not done anything for me. I have done more for Nigeria than Nigeria have done for me. I have created jobs in Nigeria. I've invested in Nigeria. I've helped people in Nigeria. This is Nigeria.
Which people are you helping in Nigeria? Osagie, do you know what is help? Osagie, do you know what is help? How many people you are measure you work, you open business for them, you make them to be a millionaire because you give people cheeky change to buy rice. A rice that we eat today, we finish tomorrow. That's you are help people. You know what is help? You know what is help? I'm help people, I'm help people, I'm help people. How many people are made to be a millionaire? Osagie Osarojo, I'm asking you a question for my bedroom now. How many people are you made to be a millionaire before you will say you are help people? The last time I checked Osamu Diame, you made it to be a he wanted to change a mental patient. Not that Sisi come into his life. Today, Osamu Diame have been parapolating around the streets. They are calling you, are saying you help that, you say you help that one now. And you will come, you say you help Osamu Diame. You did not help him. Osagie, you say you have helped many people in Edo State, in Nigeria. I want to know the people you helped. You make them to be a millionaire. What they are doing, those people are doing today, come and show me. Come and show me what those people are doing today. The people you make to, you have helped. I want to know. You buy, person bring money for you. You go buy bag of rice, go give person. That is not help. If I went, you buy food for them. You will say you buy food for people. It's different when you help people. You buy food for people. It's different for you help people. You remove people from poverty. That's you help people to be a millionaire, to be a thousandaire. I will be looking some people. I have this one. I have this one. You give him feeding money. Is that you buy food for him? I help him for feeding money. You want to say you help people for feeding money. Don't say you help people. It's different. It's different. I want to correct you people today. So, how many people have you made to be a millionaire in Edo State or Nigeria as a whole? Nobody. You buy food for people to survive their life. You buy food for people. That is not help. If you want to say it next time, and you know how many people have buy food for? How many people have buy bag of rice for? No, but how many people you have help? No. Nobody can come out to say, make me to be a millionaire. Nobody can come out in the society today, as we have today. Nobody can come out, Osagie, you make me to be a millionaire. Nobody can come out. I want to see the person. He didn't need pay. Osagie, come and show me the place.
It's Engineer Oye. Engineer Oye. That's my man. What's good, my brother?
All those are 419 people. All those are 419, their group. They used to do people, they used to play people. I want to ask the hospital, Dr. Uli, whose hospital you are working? Come and show me the hospital you are working. You are not a doctor, you will add the doctor to your name. If they give you injection to give person, you don't know how to put injection on person hands. I will see that masses come that they say you're a doctor. Everybody will have the doctor to their name. If they say they come and give person injection, they don't know where they plug injection in person hands. Dr. Uji, Dr. Tieban. Dr. Uji, come and show me the hospital. They just call you that name now. You say, you do gabu gabu. Come show me the hospital where they work. Go and tell they deceive our women. I want you to come and show me the hospital you are working, Dr. Uji. Una no go school. Una go the hard doctor, they join your name. We not gonna know the real doctor where we they see again.
I'm live now. I'm live. So let me just finish up and I will get to you. Thank you, my brother. You understand what I'm saying? So please.
First when you call Dr. Oji just now they call and boss. So at the time they before one. If they want to play you now, you see doctor go there for their logo. You wait, person print paper saying a doctor, you know as a hospital wait for the work. Come and show me your hospital, 419. Dr. Mikado. If they say me give person just now, go give person for here. Yours the way away. Dr. Uji. I will not injection on my banner. Chloroquine. I said it quick way. No did you know man. Ultimate Dr. Uji.
Ladies and gentlemen, do us a favor this year. Start looking for ways how you can invest in the country where you have your children. Your children.
Osagie. Come and teach us example. I want you to leave Nigeria to do today or tomorrow. Come and teach us example. Come and invest. When you do it, and you take your mother away from the rent, you put your mother in your house. Then you will be talking. Last time I checked, it's 60 that rent asked for your mother. I don't get 60 number, I know the carry. I for call Nana. One ask am again, say, no be here, rent ask for Mama Osagie. Yeah.
We never come to Nigeria to inherit your house. And I'll be frankly honest to you. My father is late. He lived in America all his life. Some of the property he left for us, I have still not been there to see them. Some of those acres of land in the bushes have not gone.
Yeah, boy.
You understand? You go marry. When you know good, when you know good, when you not then your husband. That one don't born. You go marry. Maybe they give this advice to yourself. People, we don't need that. Now don't marry when you get picking. I will tell this kind of thing. What we will take, not be you. One way as a one more bomber. No. You don't fit for this kind of topic at all. You know what? You go and take care of yourself. You never take care of yourself. Finish. You never take care of yourself. Finish. You won't call the advice people. It's not fair. It's not done. You understand? You go take care of yourself. You go born. You go get big. You go get family.
No, wait, mama. What do you want me to do now? May go rent. May go buy house for a mama for America. May put him mama. Not be mama go dey rent again.
That one, pa. No, that one too far, pa. Make it just marry. Make it marry. Make it they work. Make they take care of the pikin before they plan property for the pikin. You know, see, I say, you get long way to go. You get long way to go. Make you do that one before you go there advise people. Advice when you never feel use for yourself. You won't go give out to me. What you won't give out to? Every care when get pikin. Even though it's not boys' quarter, it's there for America. It's okay, but you know what thing they do. You know be mumu. You know they run up and down. You know what thing they do. Now you know, now you work money. Now you know how you go take use the money. You don't get the fucking right to tell them how you go take use the money. I think you go invest the money for what? The one way they give you, you never born and you not get you not get anything. The one way CC Park give you, the hurricane, the one way Park give you, they don't see one thing. Acquire where you use them for where we will see, where we will clap, say, Osagie done well for himself. You know they, that you won't come advise people. You will be scammer when they will give money, they know once you do one. Give me one, take 10. That's what you be now. Eh? Now the person you can't use the money can't play 10 with you. No. Because everybody knows you do a great 419. Now you won't come advise people. Make you pay advice yourself because if they pay for years, you understand? Give you no. If they pay for years, the word when they talk, if they pay. You don't sabi talk at all. If people analyze your video, they can't beat when they will give you for inside, you go too much. They won't go tell person where you don't born, how you go take invest for your life. Because the person not get bread before you born. Maybe you fear go born before you call the advice, this kind of advice. But thank you.
Yeah.
Some of his property, the people living there, I have not even seen them. I don't know them. So 99% of
Osagie, your father live in America. Your father have property. You are sell off the whole property. Not going to deceive say people they live for there. Last time, the one we did for sale, you don't sell them. You don't sell them. they sell your papa property. Now, okay, your papa do property for Nigeria. Your papa not be as for America. Your papa get property for Nigerians. Go read the money we put for bank. You don't fit claim it today because wait till they tell you your papa put you with your brother name. That's why they not agree release that money to you today. Only you want they follow your brother back. They go the bank. Want go claim money. They not pay you to do. You don't take more than 5 lawyers because your papa knows you as you be. Before your papa back, you know, say they call you wait on me, go call the guy, say, go see your papa, go see your papa, go see your papa. You know, go see him. And the bank not tell you, say, your papa had your brother name, Jonah. If your brother not did that, they not give you money. You they spend your money, you throw away. After you don't give your brother a go smoke, you want me, you only want to go claim your papa money. They not going to pay you to today. You marry anyway. You marry anyway. Where would they go? Where would they go?
So 99% of the time, your investment in Nigeria for your children, they are not going to come back to inherit it.
It's not your business. It's not your business. If Orike have a business in Nigeria, say children not become call a return. As Orike they are alive, so the money where they work, even the children not come call a return, they take out the feed them. It's okay. They're not the lack of anything. It's okay. If they wish not to go and claim their property, it's not your business. It's not your business. After all, Abu Salih has, it's not true, we finished. None of the Peking go us against it today because we have, since 1960, we have never set our high in good government. Apart from Ali Ogbemudia. After that, the rest governor is to steal. It because of the way Abu Salih Ogbemudia take that country to be before. They want to utilize that country. They want to make it Europe. But because of the bad people, they did not allow them to do it. So, even though Orike children not go out tomorrow, go claim their property, it's not your business. As far as Orike their life now, the business when they do now, if they bring money, take and they feed the children. You take and they feed them. It's okay.
Hello, sir.
How are you? Welcome. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
You look beautiful.
Thank you so much. And you are looking good.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Thank you so much.
Where are you calling from?
I'm from Germany. I live in Germany, but I'm from Nigeria.
How you look beautiful, eh? Your profile is so nice. Yes. I have to tell you the truth. Koji. Who are
invest for your children. In another way around.
But you invest in your you know Dario, when I Guarania, you might okay no invest in rent ye. We don't want to get in here to appoint one. A rent ye America, what at a CC or rent to one year. We poker, a rent America, a what at a CC or in London, or kill London and you go to ya pay over. No, we have to bomb. The normal set at the 1 year, no one I pay us rent in a year, or one of the 100 million to go honeymoon.
Only man, but when I tell him it in another way.
Oh, my dear, right at all. Dating a more 1 year, dating a dog 1 year in America, on a right. A rent year,
only a matter, I want to not do one, shall not be happy. But in the end, we were away right, if I would down here and attack. In the end, where all I will be in more yellow. How can we invest in here?
Dario, even Obuno, marketing they do time because you know, say no marketing on that time, me not to come away now. Data o Homado disgrace we got pay us in Nigeria, America. Buy a triple, or money a dog on Rike, a dog on Rike, and you only do they do disgrace. 30 million naira, only the name of Fanajo, Mamma Yahoo.
30 million.
Oh, mammy, Yahoo, in your body, you go to 60 and 11 million naira, or any 60, you do 100, or not 200 million, or we are business. On my way business. You away a recade, 11 million of 60 now. Hey, now, me like a war. Or one gas America, you can ye, excuse me, only make mansion war on a big hotel, on a big way kind war. You go near 5 years away, near Yahoo. Jealousy ọgbẹ̀rí not about the work one, not what work one, jealousy ọgbẹ̀rí, Igbo for gbẹ. Only poke for amana. Sisi, wona na tie sisi, ona ri are ke na take care you way. What in enemy? Na okuna okwo pe ori are ke na momo you weko. Sisi na mo ahia. BBS. BBS. Sisi na the are ke na we BBS. Agiseba awe Osagie amenoro igbema except with BBS. No, what time live video. Oh, we BBS is setting like that. Oh, we wedo. Iya mi no Osagie kiapo fun e. Iya mi name ya lo we po a. Amegiru we but okpagbe but amegiru we no seti mu mi. Iye we doctor we jare we wu. Be ni doctor we e London wi gbese. O ma giyan wu. What? Awege awu. Sisi time live video na. Ya agwa le the video ni do pe nu awa. Oh, we come and talk with. Iriya kama o ni to o Christian no.
Christian told me now understand some people they are lying.
Toge 100 million. Osagie not we go mu wa go no what 70,000 euro.
Mama welcome. 100 million polo ojo.
Oh, ni mu ne Osagie na kama o ga friend ko ni o. O ga friend ko ni.
100 million uria.
O ma mi ya o.
Imagine that.
Orike no dokun. Orike dokun we Nigeria na. O we 30 million yen mu no Osagie. O we Osagie ya o.
Na big money o.
O ba so eko. O ba so eko.
But if I meta emeyeta iyen we Osagie o wa we no ma gba, you understand, but wa we do na invest in them.
Do we invest? We buy invest. I also joking about what Osagie my invest. O ma mo wa ni je. O ma mo wa ni je. So, you don't live any about the Tony or the Kenya Guguan. You know, but you only do this great or the cake. You may have if you say it.
Okay, but I don't understand.
Or the Kenya only do Guguan, or the cake, or me over Kaduna, or me Abuja, or me Vega, or me Big Hotel, or me Full Street, or me Full Street. Oh, but I go era. You know, so I go near be so una. So, any head away or cannot stay even or might be mansion, or where there will be an idea, or we have America, or where or where a drive. Okay. Oh, my who? Oh. Okuna wagwa. Okuna wagwa.
Expect me to do wetin I not like.
Okuna wagwa reason. Okuna wagwa reason.
You can't expect me to do wetin be say no. I know say that thing that where they can do the first step we No. I don't do that.
Yeah, one like live video. Invest in your place. Invest in place. No, na you didn't invest in it.
Why not say no nothing invest in your place? When we finance me, who need ya? You may make I said it. I will hear a boy. You may get it.
Only how do you get second year or second? You know what do you what do you? Many you are. Osagie wa re bana na wa ge ni we. Ona gbegwe ha, you can make devil.
I know how they say because Jeremy and they say.
But ona wa gbegwe ah, we ona gbegwe me ka e me bodu we na. Ona gbegwe ha, we devil, we devil. Yeah. Eh, Osagie na. We kino Osagie na do. Ni kama kino do. Ma be we no we wa mo se na. Ona wa be profile we na. O gwalo won ready ya we be Germany. O wa re o we make ni ya vie. We wa re la wa. Bon eh. Oni ofo e bo no ba mu ke Nigeria re. O gba ya go wa. Eh sisi, wa asunu we sisi na. All bad you cannot give another. No way I won't go. Or where I not get a place to sleep. I not get to place to sleep. Oh, yeah, like this be. All we are business. All we are business. A sister go like more than 200 million. Ona mujoto. Ego, I see a generic. Or Mamugore, on the swan bull over here. On the swan bull over here. All very nice soladian. Eh, go. Go 70,000 euros, 70,000 euros. Osagie na do any why? Go pano 70,000. Wo na di ku Barcelona. Damio. Wo na di ku Barcelona. Go ni. Hotel no be ina ku ye iwe peti ne. Osagie wa be go yan ku ye iwe peti ne. Osagie, o ba you wanna do gogo mu. Osagie na wa artificial washing. Ona ade gogo rubber. Ona we gogo sisi ra hin. Ona afefie eze. Oge no.
Artificial rubber, artificial rubber is for the kids.
Damio, ona ade very ojugbale meko. Ocho the market. Ona ade black one. Ona amufi eze. Owe gogo sisi na wo oge no. Owe belong to Caesar na the Caesar. Who say they go get a sisi? You want to know the say they are the address. Area away me.
Exactly.
No ya mo ji no atakpara pa no doji.
Wa be janga hele we won.
Ah, he when do come man. He when do come man. We know what he take well one my be la da kere da do. No man ya we he had 100 million 11 million sisi na. Oya te gbe me la jan wo wa. Okay. This Orike. If you have 100 million, money you not when. So I get where you not to where. Or to where be my rhyme America or somebody we see me. Sister ya gba okay. Be gba or to where.
My focus not bad or tin also 6 million. You go no manya.
Yeah.
I said, according to your cow, money, also, I see I hear you.
Mayana blame Mayana blame of Pony. Mayana blame of Pony.
Mommy Gio, or Pony.
Mommy Gio, you met Danano.
Yeah, later the China to follow up with the woman, they always prayer. Every man I don't know how, the woman 40 area. A shaman, no. When I feel worried, because if not, he cannot get married.
If we want to go, Guamalele, why I in the end, I had to wala, I get you one, or Wagua, Walele. Atiti. Egg second year, Egg de coin. Oh, I beg would ya meow. Oh, where are we devil?
Where are we devil? People they laugh more. That's why they talk today. They never press a laugh. Oh,
we devil.
You will not be this one, brother. They talk saying a devil.
He come wow. Oh, why second way? You ban Atiti na second way. Where's Atiti? You have you name go out there. Where are they?
I hate of a pity.
Where can say it? Who basis must be boy? But Atiti no until 20 years of Atiti. Where were Atiti? Atiti got a live video. On that time, what I hear with Osagie. Me ma Osagie na. Even you go buy me done. Even when me go buy me done, me done me na who you na.
Saga wa avoid there, but anyway, when I saga no ya because heaven here tama kosen wo ma so ni we yo. Yeah we. Oh na. E we no less again e gi upon.
Osagie wo lie be Osagie wo lie be Osagie be.
Yeah, Osagie we no.
Oh boy, oh what lie. Oh what lie. Oh boy.
Damio. E wa no na ya ma e wa ni we me. Amana kunya kwa. E me no ya ona kosano ma we ya nwenya.
Damn, even if you buy me, Daddy, no so we are about they disgrace over here. No, oh, what we want to America. Then I disturb the key.
But in another moment, women, why can you manage business in here? Why can you manage business in here? Because Osagie had the legal on you. Again, yeah, to what we cannot do.
Mudane, Mama Mudane, I want calling, yeah. Hello, J. Hello, Mom.
I told Ekino Donapa, who I get your say, best is in the season of the found this hour. Already guess this in another post. No, a sissy, on a yaro, you be a Yasun, a sissy can do feel like a sissy marietis in Quebec. Or money, why no what we are more, but we're in a gone. Or Johnny to Qualatia. Why not I want a product on a rare cana? I'm not a quack wow. A post of what we just want, but in a post of what we just want fire on me.
Okay.
As the other around me, we may follow right from the one. A post of that around me go around me go a Johnny to a go. She posted fire on the Latin. And yes, I gave to it, you know, Zipa whip you understand. On our when aware or more Monovia America Piene, and I'm going to get on me on another proof, you know, I have money. Only not like they not to our God and I when they like you, Jack Young. Well, understand why can I get to Toto? Okay, when a master who are one million in the party type, where I went there for what both ways to look one left here. I need to come here, Tom. Where, okay, we're bad. We're here now. And since it is hell, or my back boy now, and since it was ever since I am one, as this is why I pay your furniture. On our send go be we go to send the orphanage of Polo. On about the ticket at Germany, on about the ticket at London. I was in London in a TSC because already no business in it. It was stranded, it is a woman. It is a cigar to Arila, Wagajana. No, ya run your man, no, ya row Wawa. Why, one year, one my sister of that end, number two, we got my sister. It's very important that we look about the no, me why we put your way. Economaje, Anna Zekentolo. Economajo, Economan investigate. At least my money, I invest in my Vimania with me. I what bet. Ekene Coco no raw shit. Ne party Timo Jibe. Jonosaki to Tony when you kaya piene. Okay, I went to one is in a kid will give me a vest. You can read the nice. You may some idea if you're possibly in Yana to our vessel, no piene, put to our vessel. You might never walk in the sea. Oh, I net it. Only piano robot. I want him money, man. No forgive anything up piano. Where you're popular, we made a new one waited in Guerilla. Then go away from a boy. Say, what a king here.
If I'm born, if I or Nanya, what to say, is this what one ways is our a party?
Imagine this is not follow where they can lose not my aunt, again, a party or my follower. One woman in Jonosaki, you don't feel at 8,000, 10,000, no Saki, you go. Oje moto ya fiago, oje moto ya fiaki. When you
when we have me, we had him and no Yauna.
American passport on it. Then there are all the winner, all the struggle.
Okay, mommy mudane sister no omutegbo no water. Then me na me mama say na o se digbe sento na ya we fabrica.
Why not?
Okay, me na do no on bo be ni adu no on bo na me na be do work na e ti ma frustrate for him here we go.
Akabo ya meeting me talk.
Okola Diana, ona the 100 million we defone, ona the go la Diana was business. Okoni we da gbe be na da bully over here.
O ma de we.
Okay, come on, what you get like a Bobby or like a Bobby screen. I will not be said it. I will
not okay, get about you. Get about fiota. Get a lady about fiota. Ma fiota o ma fiota very fine lady. Hallelujah. Hallelujah dey wrong hand. Hallelujah dey go back down. Kakabo. Mudane wa aron pare na toe aron pa no na toe. Hello. Okay. Hello.
Waya bava.
Call you no gi obo ki agi.
Wa bebe nege kai o.
Call you.
Call
you no gi. Call you.
Wa bi mu na o.
Call you wa contribute to Maya.
Ibe ka dan me o ne we ga de fe me be na.
Okay.
Di ka be tan me lu wa
Okay.
tan.
Idi ni pe kian. Sister me no mo say. Omutu egbo e. We voice when we about me awa o wa gbe me dian.
And Nigeria of today, the investment community is there.
Ani oru no gboga.
Ni wa e system e ya change we dian lati ni wa ya gun asin. Ima o magun o. O magun o ni ku garia.
What's that? Wow, the quality
o ma bebe ni lawe ka tuwa na obo kin aje ije me kekere na o obo kin aje. Hello. Osagie Osarodion. Okay ne kwe ga mu e. Okay ne kwe ga mu Osagie Osarodion. Orike no me 30,000 million ona munu e. No that 11,000 because he give 11,000 to CC now. CC when you thief him money, you thief CC 100 million. All the name of girlfriend and boyfriend. Ma.
You go nínú weta nega Osagie face how boy asunu dai mewa ona.
Ona pa. Ona vi ebe no forge away in a business in here in Nigeria because of why I want him go. Only now don't know any go no here in the name of the girlfriend the kaya reu. Ojibe okuazo senior. Ozoko say okoni omego. Ekin agogo ni boyfriend here. Ne all support no like to pon wa gun. Ona mu go lajan wo wa almost 200 million na Osagie we have business in Nigeria. Osagie ti today Osagie ma me business no you go ni wa man. Ogun na even no igo ona latian ona so ati ebo no we ko na. So all my kere the more than 4 months ma kere mata na o. Omo pepa na to orike o me hotel in Nigeria Edo State. O wa me go be hotel o wa mo gwa no bun. Only na ji 11,000 e CC o dey 5 days no gbe da na ji 11 million na jane.
Okay.
Osagie na ya abule ona ya abule ona ya agbe laptop ya abule e.
Where would you go ne?
What would you go ne? Ona ono ka je 30 million ngwe na bi orphanage ngwe ma me ya wo.
Okay.
Uda we ona. Na we do gear mama because again we na na sunu 4 months ago. How we could not see me better go Osagie no ya finya go, bi no ya finya go e.
No, sorry, at your gatity. Only me after the Tana where Ohagmo to many Siwa. Madoya Deja, if no matter can Deji. It was an open a Prisiga me or Yahweh is born in Osagie because well back here. On the other hand, you can make me go like an Biaverio. Even your Pologbe, when we are traveling, look at you okay, you start with that person. And that you the amount. And before that time, I can't again and Osagie player for one of the business, Osagie player for one of the business, so it's this Magani. Okay, no, can't get down when you also go to the Kayaswe. You go in your Pologbe. Osagie wina ni oba na wina no mebe na afuko e mi kwa kwala bishe e
Kakabo
na ya sebe
Kakabo
na ya sebe o mebe ni go ni yare e o ma no kele na gbe no
believe where na free money so you can misplace the money and
yeah o ma no kele wina ji go e da gbe bo bi 5 o'clock we bo na gbe ya pa ni na sisi no e na prisi no mi go ni e na ewe mumu ni on struggle ji
guy
Osagie pa struggle ji go
oh, what's so echo? Iya wo what's so echo? Innocent. Owo wa kun ikwu, o wa kun yo wa. Ikwu.
Because every money no Atiti, every money no. O ma be nu question na ni e da gbe we pa ni wina. O ma ga mu go nu we agre we business. Wo we be ya shoot si go ni.
Kakabo but iya na ma be iya begi me. Iya begi me ya wi me o e. O ma ya.
That is only the time na we. Prisi herself. Me fought on her because Osagie you tie na where or she go love you. You Osagie you tie na.
Kakabo.
Uga leleti. You go kere kaya try ne.
Wa we mai ku say 5 years ni ya. Wa we mai ku say 5 years. Osagie no done. Done Osagie.
Osagie ya be e mama ni we ya be.
Kakabo here for
Davio ije Mujani ite me kwa magwaje. Ije. Wa Mujani te me kwa magwa. No for na ege ni te me kwa magwa. Mabe ni make example. Mabe we meji mwana de be na ya. We iya me be na ya. We na de saba na do me we ma we sike gbe ba ya. O a onu die me position ni awe mi esi. O mari me do lo advantage we le de me lo advantage nu we e de me dig grave. O get that me.
Atiti Mujane mama e me kata pa. Na we gbe na ama Osagie. Osagie di raga mafia person Osagie no me na atu pa. We gbe say ni na my brother. We na gele we yes o man gele me value of person we uni e. Then when a person can aswear with Osagie, all the go kere kaya try, only me try the metal. That one is too much for a starting. Now mulate no
we na we Osagie ga Nigeria all your completed bid my with ere adona ona na ga mmili gojo o ma to Osagie jo wa ya fi ego o je nu meje na ni ya re Nigeria
for the first attempt that kind of view that mouth no a boy a young guy not that vibrant to where the life is when they came Osagie the life is over the story of that guy the life is
obiere maka live Facebook ne Davio ni te me lo na e
that money is too much they starting only a part of a prison or even your pologbo made a very big mistake no ya we go like and they book be very they are the time 5 million 3 million chicken coins in he was one forget 200 million at theater now how we go
the money big go we go no so ya
money and money when I beg ben with type money when na useless human being very useless human being. Don't manogele nekbe ye mugoni na. Igoni bana. Oga bia na
ije ya te na kwa mama igo ne orike ya be hotel ga masebe di o ni na jolose iye jolose orike na Osagie jolose orike but a sisi we go we jola je wo gwa we ya
because I you the Martini, I we hotel. Standard hotel in Shigoni ya Sanania. Let me precede na go no time precede where you go where him ya we hotel na ya wow. I want 200 million go match here we be rock. Why will you be jealous another person? Osagie is very nuisance human being. Osagie man go man no am we go we don na we na get the sick but no. I made a big mistake. Osagie is not going to pay that money very penny emuna.
Ope ije ope oga gbode
okay ya pay when you only the settlement any day go to awunya.
Mama, you see this year in Wetana, why me I on your hobby. Me I made the mistake again. You go swear.
oh you see I mean I come one oh what why we devil okay mama mommy egwe Osagie anyway on Osagie your right in boss one your right una go say devil go here ye Muja ije egogoni 70,000 euro SCC ya egogoni odwe le SCC ona adwe you why ona we na egogogi Osagie na ari eju elegba weweko ona adegogo fake egogo ona afiafieze we egogo SCC fieze ne
imagine
oma we SCC oma address SCC no post ege Egi di ejo ri egumeni yari bae.
Everyone, no foundation you there. They are ungrateful, no. They are very ungrateful human beings. You don't even know it's so good.
Manya. Una afia. The watch when you don't get, you go to one forever. You don't say that, don't give the owner back.
The owner,
very wicked human being.
So when the thing is that when they manipulate, be careful. Why can nobody do what you? Omaga, we go bring a pay, money, Jawari, say village, but go ahead, they will never dare pay. That is the best thing you can do with your money. Okay, maybe you take life with your account, the same money.
EJ, welcome EJ. Osagie no ye go ni no ye go sisi eri na we afia zeni. A good attitude in here. E go we do we do ma. Okay no, I don't Osagie. Osagie I don't Osagie market.
And I go we tana na Osagie we no wo me o so ma fi go sisi fo aye do we ba to fina ba ka go sisi e fifo.
We not see another when the sissy may not your you.
Where you feel go back if you're saying,
wa mu jana wa call again wa mu tell again ije wa mu tell wa call again
avije de mose guy wala wo wa na egbe mata na right from the one the Osagie 411 419 4121 right from the one no ya sun kino dona even somebody feel we boy mo na we ri yan be school ri yan be mi ati wa mi ni Osagie ya o ti today wa mi school bo wa mi anything no ja ero so anya gi no e bodo rigo na donate wonye ibi e to donate no e wepo cause okeka ogweti ige hotel nye zoji ige hotel ige ticket enye zoji ege Osagie na da latia ibi e to nya je onwe o ma vie latia yo ame gbobio kan na yo ame gbobio kan na e pe no ri kwa kwa liwe bo ma kwa lo ari ne no ya supporter na ge 419 down Kano.
Sister, we can now know why I'm going to get my call when we make it now. I took China now where you go in my car, the only car, the only mechanic, the other way. A Priscilla, I don't see the other way. I'm 200 million Osagie for business.
Hello, Mama. Mama, a Priscilla, or when your mother and when you Priscilla, you are she, understand? Or we your mother. Are we a mother? A donation like Priscilla now, or donation. No, yes, so live video. I can't do it alone. I can't do it alone. Priscilla, you go. Priscilla will send you go gear when me for donation.
No, my sister, I would know. When we question, when you precision, all the precision, or Manuma can a life is stretch here. If you want to do anything with that person in the beginning, I do that matter where I start with it. Even though any one question, I mean, you start from a little kind of woman or in there. A first one, Mama,
Osagie, no,
and not soon is that way. It is a preceding go again. Or he go getting away. You go to preceding again, Polo. You know, what way, near one you was saying about to buy the ticket. Only want to buy the tickets, only one boy at UK. You said you can on our train station. Any mammy or what, any was stranded, any one on only got TSCC. SCC like Wario. Sissy, what
because I can like
oh, the motor, the SCC, the motor, yeah. He just I give it a license.
So the SCC now Wario Hospital. When you have because you have a boyfriend and girlfriend here, on a Wario Hospital, near Jacques Bay. Where anyone is sitting when they use
money. I mean, when you are getting a sorry, I'm €50.
America, you're going to pay your even near city social media. You're going to pay Niger Osagie or Niger Osagie to America. You're going to pay.
You don't mean it.
Because
okay. Okay. Okay.
social media where then yes you work on the end of ni one cannot be fear where get born and it Osagie a part see one matter ni ladia or see we say abi kwenne no wa fie ladia
Osagie na call we had 2 million me marry Osagie na call we had 2 million me marry
then the Atiti then the near 7 Osagie ya here hole o understand then the Osagie how many are doctor 8,000 euro 10,000 plus a beer party. Is this young woman here? Is a threatening, you know, I get threatening. Is this like the woman here? We hear everything for this live video.
Well, my baby was I can see any. Well, my baby, yeah. Oh, where's it? Where's it? No, what did we do you very soon? Was it?
One more somewhere. Oh, tell so. It can only answer. So they ask you go, but they're going to pull up in here. If I didn't have play me, someone is too much. So,
what EJ? All one of them. Very whatever. Moses is enough one or Remanana. Or many way you turn and see. Oh, no, I be I read who a devil. What?
I'm not going to say, don't you need to jack me up one? Yeah, what we push upon the you just taking the American passport, Mama. Why you never going to win of America? And I'm not going to show you of America. And you said you're a winner. I can't do it. I can't do it.
I want you. I want you. I want you. Omagita de na ni ya gbe lejo we do no gi ohun. Omagita de àwọn kan lo do te jo lie onu.